welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're going to look at Polar Light's 1966 Batmobile from the original TV series. This is a really cool Batmobile. It actually, the outer chassis part is actually painted the black end with the red stripes already. And it comes with a Batman and Robin figure, and should be pretty interesting to do. It's a really nice looking kit, so let's take a look. Well, okay, here it is. The classic 1966 Batmobile. This is by Polar Lights. It's a 1/25th scale. It's pretty cool. Some things come pre-painted, but I figured it was a really good price, so I figured why not. And then I don't have to. It's pretty tough to get that red striping correct, so looks like they'll have that all done for us. Some old animated drawings on this top back here. You can see Batman and Robin. It comes with them guys pre-painted, which is okay. Let's see what else we got. Detailed interior, pre-painted body and bat wheels, pre-painted Batman and Robin figure. So, well, let's rip into this and see what's up. I figured this would be a fun little kit to do. There we have. It looks like they probably have it tied down. They do. Right there. And hooked in hoops on the hood. Something like that. I thought that was maybe die cast, but that's plastic. But yeah, that looks good. That's a nice gloss black. Striping looks really good. You know, all the way around. So I can't complain. The bat symbol on the doors look great. Just needs a cleanup. Yeah, to get all that there. Oh, there's where it's looping through on the front. So you probably have some headlights to put in there. Alright, but that's that part. Let's look at the L manual. Whoop. We have some decals. Looks like we have a few. I'm gonna say probably like stuff for labels in the dash and stuff like that. License plate or whatever. I don't know if that's what those are or just. We'll see inside here. Yep, your basic build. Your different keys for your opaque, clear, or chrome parts. And then there's your decal number and your paint color code. So your decals will be in a dark round circle. So yeah, and then here's all the for the dash, all the lightings. Yeah, so that's cool. You got a lot to paint in there. But pretty straightforward. And then there are other models. But yeah, just pretty straightforward car build. Start off with the lower chassis. Now I'm always wondering, here it is. There's somewhere where I can cut and make a magnetic piece to put a battery in here. And then I can hide a switch anywhere. To power the car. I'm still not sure if that's how I want to do it with these Batmobiles, because I want to build that Bat Cave with the different ones, make it Bat Cave on this side look more 60s, and then go through the lineage and then start getting to that more rocky waterfall kind of vibe in the newer series. Or do I just have like back computers and stuff and just run through the little wires and plug them in underneath or something? I think that might be the way to go. If I decide to even put lights in any of these cars. But it'd be neat to do it. You know, just something. I don't know what you could do in the Batmobile. This one. I don't know. Where's the headlights? So, the black oval is clear parts. So there is a 106 and a 107. Goes in the front. Yeah, so we probably could. Yeah, there's like the bigger headlights. And where on the other side? Yeah, there's the grillage with the yellow part. I think that's yellow and the, yeah, and that. So, okay. So we could put some stuff in there. So we'll see. Looks like it normally would just have it stick through. The peg. Pretty much so. So I could just put little LEDs right behind there. And that would work. So, but yeah, anyway, sorry, I'm always thinking of what I want to do with these kits instead of actually showing you guys the kits. But yeah, here's the bag with the chassis. And that's pretty neat. There's a lot of little parts, so I'm probably not going to pull all these bags apart. This one here has like the seats and all the little knickknacks and handles and yellowy things like this piece and yeah, that piece and those little handles and stuff that are inside the car. So it's a lot of little stuff, the fire extinguisher and the bat phone, steering wheel. It's all that stuff. So gear shifter. And some dash parts. There's your dashboard there. So, I mean, that's really all that is. This bag here, you have the lower parts of the car. Once you put it together, these snap on. Like that's the lower spoiler on the front. You got your axles and your tires, which are just a basic, nice tread. Nice soft rubber tire. Then you got your chrome pieces here, which basically consists of your thruster. That's probably that piece, and you paint the tips yellow. And any other, you know, those three pipes that come up through the engine. Oh, that's the little like cop light. But it's not clear. It's a solid piece of chrome, so you have to just paint the red. So I was hoping to maybe get that to even flash or something, but that's not going to be possible. I know there's a top piece that goes on there, but I'm assuming that's probably chrome as well, or black, and you just paint it red. I don't know if I could drill those out, put some window cement in there, and then put a red LED that flashes at least. I don't have anything that can spin, but I might be able to do that. It's not a overly, they just got to go up to that rim there. Just drill a couple holes and then file it. So maybe we could do that. And then you got your pre-painted bat symbols on they're chrome, but then they, of course, it's not going to stay right with the bat symbol on it. That go on the mag wheels. And that's those little bats. And then probably what's in here are the actual wheels. So that's what's in the chrome. Like I said, in the clear you have your canopy and your headlights. And I'm seeing one missing. So it must be floating around in here. There it is. And I'm not sure why they give you 4. Is there four headlights on this car? There's the 1 and 2, and then the yellow. Yeah, I don't know where the others go, unless they're extras. They are labeled different. 1 and 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4. But anyway, and then you have the yellow ones. But basically it's just mainly the canopy. And then in the last bag, yeah, we did go through that one. And in the last bag, so there's not a lot of parts. And this is all supposed to snap together too. The last part you have this upper rail goes in between them, where the canopies would be here and here. And that's where you attach those little black things with the red hand. They look like handles. And then looks like you have more of the rear area of the car. You got the front grille things and door panels. That I think is the center console. And then you got your parachutes. There are those black things that get painted red that go on top of there. And that is it. So pretty simple build. Let's see if we can light it. But yeah, having that these guys right here all pre-painted to polish it really helps out. And it's an excellent paint job. So and there's a separation. Ah, that separates. But yeah, that's gonna look cool. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Looking forward to seeing how we can light this. And like I said, I might do a thing where I can plug 2 little wires and just have them like coily going up to like a fake computer, like the Batmobiles are all plugged in to download and upload to the back computers. So, and that could be the power. And then you can lift the car up, unplug them. So if you wanted to look at them, you know, with hand, but then setting it down, then it gives. Like the Galileo, I want to have Galileo 7. I want to have on a diorama, but I want to be able to pick it up. So I'm going to do, you know, those 2 landing platforms in the front, make it 1 negative, 1 positive, and have it touch a plate. And that'll look cool. But there you go. It's definitely a cool little kit to get. I know there's other Batmobiles where you probably do have to paint everything, but you know, I couldn't beat the price. So hopefully you come back to see the build, and until then, thanks for watching.